Unbox this Hepper cat bowl for food and water. Comes in 3 different color: gray, white, pink. Today we got the gray one. This thing got decent review on Amazon and we're gonna test it out. And I'll look at it right now. This is an honest review as a pet lover. As you know, on my channel I give you guys honest review. Now it does feel a little bit of heavy, which is good, so the cats, when they're eating, they're not gonna move it around all over. This right here is stainless steel. It holds about 10 ounce. I think the whole thing is about 16 inch. What I notice around here, right here, this deep looking drain, it's a big plus because one of my cat, he's very messy. So if he's drinking or he's eating and anything spill, instead of going on our floor, it will capture right here and we could easily wipe it off. Or what you could do, we could remove this beautiful stainless steel bowls like that, and we could just drain everything in the garbage or in the sink and we could wash this. So this is a plastic, but it's a very sturdy, overall good quality of plastic, as you can see right there. Really well, and you could see the groove lining right here is well made. So this right here, you could see really good quality, heavy duty. This would last for years. I'm telling you, this is really good. I used to buy the one in the dollar store or the cheaper store. They did not made it. And then the cats, it used to move around all the time when the cats are eating. So we're gonna fill this up with we're gonna do dry food and water. You could do, if you have a separate bowl of water, you could do wet food or dry food or whatever your choice is. For more price and detail on this, check in the description box below. I have all the links directly to Amazon. This company is definitely a good company, made really well product for animals, and which I love. How it looks with dry food and we have water in there. It's very nice, neat, and look really good. I'm excited about this actually. So we're gonna put it down here, test my cat. Come on, come on. He's loving it. Oh, look at him eating. You gonna get your water into? Cat approved, one of my cat approved it already. I'm waiting for my other cat. Not sure where he is.